people. I hope you all are doing amazing. Well, I'm doing this video after so long because this book couldn't allow me to wait. Because I have this beautiful book here today with me, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love this. Well, I'm talking about The Art of Being Alone by Renuka Kavrani. इतनी खूबसूरत किताब and unexpected because I follow Renuka by the way on Instagram, and after watching her status and a lot of multiple posts, I just found that I should once go with this book. What is actually there and what kind of a human being she is, and trust me, I have related with her in a magical way. And this book is so simple, such an amazing vocabulary, and a straight book. It's not talking something way or trying to circulate the things on one topic or just running line. No, बहुत ही स्पष्ट तरीके से अपनी बात को रखना, बहुत ही क्रिस्प बातें करना, बहुत फैक्चुअल चीज़ें करना, बहुत प्यारे तरीके से इस किताब को लिखा गया है. सो बिफोर आई रिव्यू इट आउट, आई टेल यू that if you are into a phase in your life where you are done with people and चलो ये भी मैं एक नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट है इसको ना लेते हुए भी, इफ यू आर समबडी इन योर लाइफ हु लव योर ओन कंपनी, और ये एक ना चीज़ है जो हर कोई आज के डेट में कह रही हूँ आई एम इनटू सेल्फ लव. No, it isn't like that. That's a very different phase. But if you genuinely feel that you love your own company, read this once. Read this one. And if you're introvert and you have not much people in your lives, you feel comfortable when you're alone, please read this. The Art of Being Alone is a book for you. So let's go and check out what this book has for us and why people should read this. Talk about the book now. So I'll be talking about this, The Art of Being Alone by Renuka Gavrani. By the way, this book is divided into two parts. Part number one talks about how to turn your loneliness into solitude. So let me talk about that part first of all. See, loneliness comes up with a negative aspect. Remorse है, आप बहुत दुखी हैं. But solitude comes up with a lot of blessings and peacefulness. So how come that loneliness has turned into solitude? That is very nicely explained in this book. I could connect with the author because, as similar to the author, I was an introvert in my school, having hardly one or two friends, and that was the age when I got connected with the books. Not having this, I was not skilled enough to talk to people and have that funny and that cool kind of habits of, attracting people or something like that. No. So, because you're attached with the book, ultimately, you learn a lot. And when you learn a lot, not relying on somebody, आप अकेले सब कुछ जब सीखते हो तो आपको आपकी कीमत मालूम चलती है. सो यू स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग योर वैल्यू इन योर ओन आईज, एंड पैरेलली सक्सेस कम्स विथ यू, पैरेलली ग्रोथ स्टार्ट्स कमिंग विथ यू. सो जब ये सब चीज़ें एक साथ हो जाती, यू स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग पीपल अल्टीमेटली, एंड व्हेन दोस पीपल कम इन योर लाइफ and they give you a kind of any bad experience, you start questioning yourself because you know your value, because that value you have created, nobody has created, not a single teacher, not a single friend, not even a family member, because they just love you. Teachers just guide you. The kind of emotional support that a child needs in the teenager, in the early 20s, the lack of friends and all, वो तो मेरे को सब किताबों से मिला है. And I guess people like me can relate with this. So you know your value, definitely, right? So you have created multiple boundaries in your life. You become very careful in your life. And in this way, in this course, in this journey, ultimately, जो initially कभी लोग बोलते हैं ना कि people might judge you for loneliness, but they don't know that that exactly is my solitude. That makes me happy. That makes me peaceful. And the second chapter, this basically in the book, the second part is turning your solitude into a growth period. The day you will enter into solitude, अगर आप अकेले हैं, please, you are very lucky. आप बहुत lucky हैं. Please use that, turning it into solitude. And once that is changed into solitude, that will ultimately enhance your growth like anything. You know why? Because nobody is distracting you. And now at this stage, now I'll talk about my experiences. At this stage of my life, I think other than my family, I'm not connected with anybody. Anybody. And I'll tell you, people and peace are inversely proportional. That's my theory, and it is not a hypothesis. Because when you have higher connectivity with people on any platform, it will ultimately reduce your peace. And when you have very low connectivity with people, I mean, you just go to work, you just show up to people, you're happy with everybody, you because you have learned that, right? And you are having an amazing work environment because you're not indulged much into it. And then when you're coming back, you see the most loving people of your life. That's enough. And this gives you so much of peace. Ultimately, you have your own space, you have so much to do in your life, right? Your ambitions, your goals, your short term goals, your long term goals, you're so much clear with that. That is solitude. You're happy with yourself, you're blissful, you sleep peacefully, you get up peacefully. You just think about growth, not about people. So, and as people who have turned their loneliness into solitude, that's what the second chapter talks about. Ultimately, growth आपके life में आएगा. Ultimately. So, अगर आपको ये बुक क्यों पढ़नी, अगर आप बड़े ग्रुप वाले लोग हैं, अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं दिखाने के लिए, अगर आपके पास यस दिखाने के लिए, अगर आपके पास अच्छी खासी लग रहा है आपके पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है और आपको ये बुक पढ़नी है, प्लीज़ डोंट बाय दिस एंड प्लीज़ डोंट रीड दिस. बट इफ़ यू आर समबडी who literally thinks that कि ग्रोथ अकेले ही हो सकती है, और वो एक सॉलिट्यूड ही है जो अल्टीमेटली आपको पुश करता है टू गेट दोज मैजिकल चेंजेस. रीड द आर्ट ऑफ बीइंग लोन. It's not just one book. There are multiple books out there, but this is a part. This is a very integral part because this is very straight and very clearly explained from a raw experience जैसे किसी ने इसको लिखा है. और ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि कैसे सोसाइटी आपको जज करती है बिकॉज आप अकेले हो. वो सोसाइटी ये नहीं सोचती कि वो सोसाइटी कारण है कि आप अकेले हो. दे आर द रीजन दैट यू डोंट वांट टू बी कनेक्टेड विद पीपल, right? You always feel that I'm so happy that I'm alone, man. Because if one person I give a call, that ultimately comes with so much of questions and so much of multiple gossips and nonsense stuffs, which will take you somewhere else. So it's better to stay alone, to read and do your work and take growth parallelly with you, right? So, my dear youngsters, through my videos, through my Insta posts, through my YouTube community pages as well, I always try to push you people out there to read. You know the reason behind it. You people are very much aware of social media. How it is going on, like how people, what kind of mindset today people are having. I request you that have this habit of reading. Kind of books you want to read. There are multiple books. There are books into every platform. People might question, I'm doing so good in my life. Why do I need to read? I'll tell you is there are multiple, all the books, this has been written by the people who are doing amazing in their fields, and it's being proven that people who are highly into solitude wala stage and highly successful and literally living a wealthy life, those people, wealth is not just money. That also I'll come up with a new book. Those people are amazing readers, amazing readers. So I request you, because reading will at least teach you how to deal in this society today. We are not meant for relations, I'll tell you. This world, the generation is gone. The generation is gone where you need somebody help or support for that love and care and kind of friendships and happiness. It's all bullshit. Please understand this. This world is just to get that connectivity with the Almighty, the purpose of your life, the reason of your survival, and the growth that makes you happy, the job that makes you happy, the work that gives you peace, the sleep that is good for your health. That is what we need to obtain. We are lacking. इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी, मुझे ही लगता आज से 10 साल पहले, but आज इसकी ज़रूरत है. That's the reason I promote reading very socially. So I request you that if you are connected to me, and if enough 1% you feel like just 200 and 250 rupees minimum to maximum 4 to 500 rupees, you will get an amazing friend with you. So that's a request from my side with you all, and I'll be coming up with a book which I've recently completed, that is Wealth Money Can't Buy. Okay, till then please take care and keep on reading. Okay, bye bye, take care.